Now some boots. Wonderful! Some vegetables. Do you know what to do? I know. Timmy needs to protect the carrots from the rabbits. Go away, rabbits! Do not get my vegetables! There's more! Go away! Go away! Do not go to my carrots! Nice! Now, let's dig up all the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 items. Now, what's Timmy doing? Woof! Oh, there's a cat! Meow! Woof woof! Look, let's feed Pony. She must be hungry. Let's feed her much as we can. Eat up! Eat up! One more, Pony. Ta-da! Now she's full. These are her hooves. Let's go and make them very nice and clean. 1, 2, 3, 4. Her other foot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! Okay. Let's give her a ride. Oh, what's she's doing? Oh, she's helping us to do our gardening. Look, our vegetables is there. Great job! Slow and steady. And then we got the prize. Look at those carrots. Come on. We're almost done. Ooh, great job. What's she doing? She's hanging out with the pigs. Ooh, great job.